What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you some of the new pickups I got. They're still in the package, so let's open them up. Alright guys, I had to open up 3 of them because I know there were shirts. There's the first one, Project Torque. The second one I got from Rebel 8. I really just found this on Instagram. It came with some stickers. Cool little mini truck on it. And it has a design on the back too. I think this is my favorite one. And then I got this one from Working Class Culture. This one's actually a long sleeve, printed on a Champion. And it has a little logo on the front. And then I have this one right here. If I can find my knife. Alright guys, found my knife. I actually ordered these off of eBay. And they're all wrapped too. Let me get these unwrapped and I'll be right back. I got these all unpacked. I'm not even gonna lie, it has so many bags. But here they go. The 3-way knockoff. All 4 of them. I'm about to pull the car out and then we can put them on. Alright guys, this is how it looks before with the 2 ways on it. I'm about to start jacking it up and start chaining them out. Guys, just finished putting them on. What y'all think? Keep these on there or put the 2 ways back on? I kind of like these. I don't mind the dirtiness. I haven't drove in probably like a month. I plan on doing a video of it like I did with my dad's. Maybe get some rolling shots. But leave a comment below what y'all think, if I should keep these on there or put the 2 ways back on. But that's it for this video. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.